Good evening. Wherever you are in the world, welcome to our weekly project status meeting. It is July 27th, and we've got a great set of updates coming to you today. We open this week with our calendar of events. On Wednesday, July 29th, we have the Homebrew Website Club. The Homebrew Website Club is a growing worldwide network of online weekly meetups for everyone who wants to take back their web experience from social media silos and own their online identities, content, and interactions. We have two Homebrew Website Clubs happening virtually, one at 1900 BST for Europe and London, and one at 1800 PDT for the US West Coast. On Saturday, August 1st, we have Getting Started with WordPress. Getting Started with WordPress is an Indie Camp pop-up session. It will be a broad-based introduction to the Indie Web session specifically focused on using WordPress. The aim is to help people get set up and running a self-hosted indie web-based website with WordPress, though some of the discussion will work for WordPress.com versions as well. RSVP and more information are available in the agenda. We also have listed on the agenda later events and tickets. These are for events coming up beyond 1 week out. I won't go through those, but feel free to check them out in the agenda. And with that, we move to our speakers section. And we open this week's speaker section with Andy coming to us with the Weekly Minute. Andy, take it away.
One update this week from the Enterprise Integration Platform team, and in collaboration with the Open Innovation Sumo team, bring you some high-level insights by way of this great MVP dashboard into the health of the Mozilla VPN users. The dashboard enables the Sumo team to better care for the people who use Mozilla VPN and provide actionable insights on the product needs to the product team. The team achieved this by utilizing customer support data coming from various sources, including Zendesk, stored in Google Cloud BigQuery, as part of the IT Enterprise Integration Platform. For the VPN product team, if you're watching, this is a sneak peek. The Enterprise Integration Platform team looks forward to collecting your feedback to help refine the dashboard. See the dashboard in action here. That's it for the minute. Stay connected and stay safe, Mozilla.
Thank you, Andy. And next up, we have an emerging technology update coming to us from Lars. Lars?
Thanks. So first of all, for those of you who are aren't familiar with it, Unity is a development tool that powers about half of all mobile games and about 90% of VR and AR applications that are created today. In the before times, back in 2015 or so, we worked a lot to make sure that Unity could export to the web using Emscript and ASM.js and all the technologies that became WASM. Now, people who use Unity still they want to go the other way. They want to be able to bring the web into their Unity applications. And so that's what we released last week. We released a component that packages up our browser engine technology and makes it possible to do all the things you do on the web, whether it's playing video, interacting with forums, or otherwise experiencing content inside of Unity. So that one just went live. Also, if you were on Twitter this weekend, you may have seen a flurry of web activity around hands. There's a specification that we've been working with our fine friends over at Microsoft on to expose hand tracking data into virtual and augmented reality headsets. And so it's now available in multiple browsers across multiple platforms, and most of the framework implementers, whether it's 3 or Play Canvas or some of the bespoke tools, have all gone off and started implementing and integrating it in. And it's been really fun to see all of the things that people are creating. Finally, it was MDN's 15th anniversary last week. There was a huge announcement about all of the great things that have happened. I definitely recommend reading the blog post from Chris Mills and seeing all of the community get so excited to, and celebrate all of the success of MDN online, whether it was through Twitter posts, sharing things on social media, or buying swag at the new MDN merch store. It was great to really see all of the community step up and recognize all of the progress that MDN has had, as well as all of the success they've had this year. Happy birthday, MDN. And back to you, Asa.
Thank you, Lars. Yes, happy birthday, MDN. What an amazing resource for the web and a wonderful time to celebrate that as it reaches its 15-year anniversary. Next up, we have the weekly Firefox update. Emma?
Thank you, Asa. I'm Emma, and here's the weekly Firefox update. So Firefox 78.0.2 is the current stable release, and Firefox 79 ships tomorrow, which is July 28th. The new release includes version 2 of enhanced tracking protection, which now automatically protects people from first cookies, which means Firefox 80 today had moved into the beta channel, and Firefox 80 will hit the stable release in 1 month on August 25th. And as of this morning, Nightly is now Firefox 81. Before that happened, Nightly 80 had a rather quiet week of updates, but we did see these notable changes. Part of the printing overhaul has landed with the new basic UI for printer selection and print settings. Web render has been enabled for more users, including Mac, and this is for early beta testing only right now. And finally, smooth pinch zooming on touchscreens and precision touchpads has been added to the Nightly Experiments choices and preferences. And with that, back to you, Asa.
Thank you, Emma, for that Firefox update. If you are responsible for a Mozilla project and would like to expose any of that project information to a broad Mozilla audience, please reach out to me. Or if you have edit access on the wiki, you can add yourself directly to the agenda. With that, we are all wrapped up for today. Thank you to our presenters for their great updates. And we will see you same time, same place next week. Until then, keep on rocking the free web.